Okay, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about promoting your book. So promoting your book is a very important step. Kindle and most of the e-publishing companies don't really promote your book. Okay, they list you. You can show up in the search engine. You can show up on Amazon, but they're not going to actively promote your book for you. Okay, so this is something that you're going to have to do. They're going to get you half the way there. You're going to have to take care of the rest of it. So I'm going to give you a few options for promoting a Kindle book that you can do. One is you can write articles for article directories. So what you would do is go to an article directory like ezinearticles.com, and you would just basically send people to your book or author page. So in every signature of an article, you can put a URL linking back to whatever page you want, and that's where you would send back to your author page or directly to your book, depending on whether or not you have multiple books. This is a great way to get kind of a little taste of your book, give some great information, and then capture the high page rank of eZine and capture the audience that's already there. You can also write reviews for similar books and then link to your author page. Okay, so you can write a review for books like yours and then say, hey, if you want to check out more, send them back to your page, okay, as the authors. It's a great way to do that. I've seen a lot of experts get a lot of traffic that way. Then you can also create your own Amazon book list, okay, and then you can include your book in the list. Okay, so Amazon has a feature where you can create a book list, do a series of books that are similar to yours, and then just include yours on there. If that catches fire, then you'll have a lot of eyes on your book list and potentially your book. And then you can also issue press releases on Amazon as well. Another way to promote your book is to contact bloggers. So essentially what you would do is search for bloggers that write about the genre of book that you're creating. And then you just simply contact bloggers with a copy of your book, a summary, a description of your book, and your contact information. And then you can just politely ask the blogger to review your book. Ask them to review your book, and they can give a shout out to your book. They can also do an interview with you. So you can offer to do an interview for free. So that really helps out when you do an interview with a blogger, because what they're able to do is take that interview and provide content for free to their list and to their audience. But really, you're the one providing the content. So it's a great way to kind of bridge that gap and then have the blogger promote your book to their audience. It's a great way. It's a great win-win situation. Lots of value there. And then also when you're enrolling in and uploading your book to Amazon, make sure to enroll in the KDP program. The KDP program will give you 5 promotional days to let people download your book for free. Okay, so this is a great way to get your book some traction, to get those necessary reviews that you need. When people come to look at your book and they don't see any reviews, it's sometimes hard to catch fire that way. So having reviews and letting people read your book for free for a few days and download is a great way to start getting your content and information out there and start to build an audience, because you also get to capture the information of the reader when they download your book. So in the next video, we're going to talk about that, actually building a following and maximizing your profits. So hope you got some information here that you can use, and we'll see you in the next video.